next, coming to Aman. Aman, I believe you guys are also building some platform or portal to bring all of the stakeholders together.
Yeah.
So, can you share some light on why you're doing that and what kind of technology improvement areas did you first think of while coming up with this idea on the Kisan Growth side?
So, hello everyone. I am Maman. I am Vice President Technology at AgriBazaar. So, like Spis said, that we are developing a platform which is actually an AI and ML layer over satellite and drone data. The idea started under an MOU with the Ministry of Agriculture for the Agri Stack, which we have carry forwarded. We are now creating the soil, crop, health, risk, and credibility data of the farmers' farms uh, at an average size of around 10-meter resolution data sets for satellite and 10 centimeter resolution data sets for drones. Now I would come to the improvement I see that are required in the technology. So number one is the enhancing the load capability to carry the sensors along with the spraying efficiency. Like if we can implement artificial intelligence right over the drone. We have done a pilot study where we actually were analyzing the drone data and we were marking the deficient point, the point where nitrogen or any other nutrient was deficient or where moisture was deficient, and we followed up by spraying fertilizer over those spots, and we have found that we were able to increase around 5 to 10% yield in Madhya Pradesh, soybean and mustard both in the past 1 year. So if we can increase the load capacity and a drone can carry a thermal and a multispectral camera along with the processing capacity, be it an FPGA over the drone or any microcomputer that can process and analyze using an AI algorithm in real time where that spot is, which should be targeted to spray the fertilizer. This will not only increase the range of the drone but also decrease the cost of service for us when we are providing drone as a service. Now, this also bring me ask the Ministry of Agriculture to help us integrate technologies like IoT, AI, ML into drones by sharing some sort of data on soil and crop which is already present with Ministry of Agriculture. See, for any AI algorithm or machine learning algorithm, we need historic data set to calibrate and then we validate it in real time. So since we are a startup, although AgriBazaar has around past 10 season crop data and soil data for around 17 states of India, still we struggle with the soil data, be it physical or the chemical properties of the soil. But government can easily provide us the historic data that can be used to develop an artificial intelligence based algorithm for each and every agroclimatic zones, and this will somehow see we have a cloud platform, so that cloud platform can be integrated with the mapping software of the drone, and the mapping software will direct the drone on the hot spot for the fertilizer spray, for insecticide or pesticide spray or any kind of production or control plan. So this is the basic like requirement which I see is most crucial and has a longer vision when it comes to enhancing the technology in drones. Also, one other part I have, this will also this advanced version of cloud integration with the software and the drone technology will actually automate the flight capabilities. It will increase the battery efficiency, it will increase the range of the drone, it will decrease the manual intervention which causes the error, it will increase the productivity, and the data collected with the cloud platform back, the feedback or reinforcement data will help the artificial intelligence algorithms to predict the yield more accurately in real time, and our farmer may know that today after this spray my yield has increased or is stable or has decreased, and what could be the control action I can adopt, and next day he can do that control action and see how the yield goes. The next day it increases gradually. So this is something I was to share. Thank you.
So vertical integration of multiple